Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we're unboxing Hot Wheels AI Intelligent Race System. This is the Street Racing Edition. We have smart sensors to guide cars around the track. There are virtual track hazards. This set comes with 2 smart cars. We have a red car and a yellow car. This has an easy-to-connect track. It's got a T-bone crash zone. The Smart Track tells cars when to steer. Artificial intelligence guides cars around the track. We have race announcements and sound effects on our remote control. You can launch virtual track hazards. You can customize your car bodies and the wheels. You can race up to 4 cars. There's a complete racing guide included. Here are a few of the courses you can build. You can make pit stops to refill your hazards. It's got over 22 feet of track. Let's check it out. You can buy extras for your set. Let's get some batteries.
Welcome to Hot Wheels AI Street Racing Edition. Let's race. Turn on your vehicle. Vehicle and controller connected. Select race mode. Free play mode.
You can move the car forwards and backwards using this control. Turn it side to side using this. I want to get the track put together so I can see what else this does. These smart tracks are really thin, and you have to be careful not to step on them. We have lots of tracks. We have lots of curves and lots of straight pieces. Let's go build our track. Here's our starting track. This is where all of our cars start.
One. Go.
Now that our course is set up, let's see how we race.
Welcome to Hot Wheels AI Street Racing Edition. Let's race. Turn on your vehicle. Vehicle and controller connected. Select race mode. Free play mode.
The car follows the track around. All you have to do is accelerate.
Player 2, you join the race. Place vehicle behind the starting line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow, there's lots of fun things with this track. I really enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.